Mama, back and forth. Right there. Mama, back and forth. Mama, back and forth.
Okay, you can vacuum the floor. Why don't you use your vacuum?
No.
Where's Dylan's vacuum?
Mama, come, floor.
Why don't you vacuum the floor?
Right?
Whose bed is that? Whose bed?
That's right.
That's the doggy bed, yep. That's Chloe's bed.
More.
You want me to move the bed? Where do you want me to move it to?
More the butt.
Move the bed? Where?
More the butt. More the butt.
Uh-huh.
More the butt. My pull the butt. My pull butt.
You can pull the bed, yep.
Whoa.
Whoa, that's pretty heavy, huh?
Holy.
What is she doing? Or what is he doing? Is he moving your bed, Chloe? Excuse you, huh? Okay. Is the dog in your way? Put it over here by your table. Put it by your table.
Doggy pull.
You're pulling the doggy bed, huh? Good job.
Hop.
You can do it. You're the one that wants to move it. Now what?
Mama,
Do what? What do you want me to do?
Mama, pull back.
Where do you want me to pull the bed to? Where is it going?
We pull back.
Where?
Timmy.
You want the bed right there? You gonna throw that for Chloe?
Back.
Okay.